Hello, I'm Monica W, and you are tuned into Monica W Formulas. Today, we're going to tackle into a beauty woe we've all faced, puffy eyes. But don't worry, I got a triple threat solution for you. It's going to be a coffee formulation, a serum, and also a Marma Massage Technique. For this formula, we're going to need ground coffee, cucumbers, vitamin E. If you have in capsules, that will be ideal. Aloe Vera gel. And also we are going to need some cotton discs. For this, we're going to cut the disc in half. And then after we cut it in half, we cut the other end so we can have like a moon shape. Ideally, you want to do 8 at a time. Okay, now we're ready. We have to prepare some espresso with our coffee. And then some juice with our cucumber juice. Try to filter the juice. It's better because you don't want the cucumber pieces in your formulation. Now we're going to add the aloe vera gel. The aloe vera gel has an anti-inflammatory properties and it's absolutely wonderful for our formulation. We're going to mix our ingredients very well, and last we're going to add our capsule of vitamin E. We mix very well, and then we have the serum with the caffeine, which is anti-inflammatory. Also, the aloe vera gel is going to help us moisturize that area of our eyes. The vitamin E is going to protect our eyes and also give us some antioxidant compounds. So we put our cotton disc inside of our formulation. We can leave it in the fridge, so it's much better if you put them very cold under your eyes. And let's move on to our second formulation, which is an eye serum. For this, we need the grapeseed oil. We're going to need jojoba oil and also a glass container. And I like to use some Immortelle essential oil. It helps reduce puffiness and it's absolutely wonderful. There's this famous brand that has this amazing eye serum, so we're going to use one of the main ingredients. And here also I like the German chamomile, which is like a blue color and has anti-inflammatory properties, and all these ingredients together are going to help us for our puffiness and inflammation. Okay, we're going to measure the grapeseed oil. I like to measure 10 milliliters of the grapeseed oil, and then we're going to add 10 milliliters of jojoba oil. And for this, I like to use 2 drops of Immortelle essential oil. If you don't have it, that's fine. You can use instead the German chamomile, but I like mine with the Immortelle and also the German chamomile. Just 2 drops for this amount. Then we're going to mix it very well, and there you go. We have our wonderful eye serum loaded with anti-inflammatory and anti-puffiness, and it's going to help us decongest our under eye area. You should try it because I think it's absolutely wonderful. All these 4 compounds are amazing. You can just use three ingredients. That's also totally fine if you don't have it. You'll find the formulas in the description box down below. Finally, let's talk Marma points. These are energy points used in Ayurveda to balance certain areas of our body. And gently press these points around the eyes. They help decongest and reduce puffiness. Around the area of our eyes, there's a lot of Marma points that help different parts of our body that are connected to this puffiness. So I'd like to stimulate this point with a gentle pressure and also a slight movement around the eyes. It's very relaxing. So ideally, before you do the massage, you apply the serum. It's very important to apply some oil around the eyes, so it'll be much better with the serum. For a complete eye rejuvenation, apply the patches, then the serum, and then do the massage. You are going to feel absolutely wonderful with that. Now I'm going to use a washa. This washa, it's also great to stimulate those points, those areas. You do 3 movements on the top of your eye and 3 movements under your eye. Firm pressure, but not too hard. I like to stimulate behind the ears, so it helps decongest better our eyes. Three times on each eye. Okay, and finally, we change the position of our washa and then do this movement. So it also helps reduce our puffiness, inflammation. Don't forget to apply your serum before that. So there you have it. 3-in-1 solution for puffy eyes. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Ayurveda tips for beauty and health. Until next time, bye!